Hey, what if I told you there's a way to potentially earn over $14,000 in recurring annual income from just one summer promotion, and you don't even need to own the product you're promoting? Stick with me, because the GoHighLevel Summer Promo that just launched might be the game changer you've been searching for. If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur, you already know how hard it is to create real, reliable, recurring income. Most affiliate programs make you hustle just to squeeze out a few bucks here and there. But this promo, it's on another level. Let's talk numbers, because that's what matters. For this summer only, GoHighLevel is slashing their prices across the board. The starter plan drops from $97 to just $48.50 a month. The unlimited plan, down from $297 to $148.50. And the Pro plan, which usually costs $497, is now only $248.50. That's not just a sale. That's practically giving away gold. Imagine offering your network a full-blown marketing platform. CRM, email, SMS, reputation management, appointment scheduling, website builder, social media planning, all for less than half price. Here's what most people miss. It's not only about new customers. Existing high-level users get upgrade offers when they log in, so you can make commissions from upgrades, not just fresh signups. Now, where the magic really happens is with recurring commissions. Every customer you refer to GoHighLevel isn't just a one-time payout. With a 40% recurring commission, these referrals become monthly income streams. Let's break it down. One customer on the $297 plan puts $118.80 in your pocket every single month. That's $1,425 a year, just from one referral. And here's the kicker. Most businesses stick with HighLevel for years because switching platforms is a nightmare. Once they're in, they stay in. Picture this. Refer just 10 customers on the $297 plan during this summer promo. When they renew at full price, you're looking at nearly $1,200 in monthly commissions. That's over $14,000 a year from one summer's work. But timing is everything. This promo runs for 3 months, and it's perfectly placed. Q3 is when businesses get serious about upgrading their systems and prepping for Q4 growth. You're catching them at the ideal moment, when they're ready to buy. And the best part? HighLevel gives you all the tools. Ready-to-go emails, graphics, copy, social posts. You don't have to create anything from scratch. Just plug, play, and promote. Plus, you don't even need to be a GoHighLevel customer to join their affiliate program. No upfront costs, no hidden catches, just pure opportunity. If you're a consultant, position this as a rare chance for clients to overhaul their marketing for pennies on the dollar. If you run an agency, offer it as a white label solution. If you're a course creator, bundle the discount as a huge bonus. The point is, don't just sell the discount, sell the strategic value. Remember, early movers get the biggest piece of the pie. The promo just launched, so now is the sweet spot. Imagine chilling by the pool this August, commission notifications popping up from the work you did today. That's the power of timing and leverage. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like and subscribe for more ways to build real recurring income streams. And if you're ready to dive in, check the link in the description to learn more about becoming a GoHighLevel affiliate. Catch you in the next one.